I am John Howard, and the topic of today's short video is the what percentage the high net worth individuals allocate to real estate. High net worth individuals are those with $1 million or more in liquid assets. This group is of significant importance when it comes to observing those effective at managing their own wealth, but they also shape broader economic trends. They're usually ahead of the curve in setting investment patterns. It is especially important as, according to YouGov and also Yahoo, only 3.2% of US retirees have $1 million or more in retirement assets. So achieving and maintaining wealth is very rare. The subject here is to highlight that, according to Yahoo and multiple sources, high net worth individuals allocate over 50% of their portfolios to real estate. Next, I'm going to have a quote here from Franklin Roosevelt. Real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Well, nowadays, most people don't pay for it in full. I'm not saying that, there certainly isn't a lot of, people that buy real estate with cash. I'm here in Southern California, in Los Angeles, and, for the last, many years, 10 years or more, there's been a lot of cash buyers. But, a lot of times, those cash buyers will pay for the property in cash and then go put a mortgage on the property after they own it, just for the speed of the transaction, right? Okay. So lots of people and sources will use and consider different figures for what is considered high net worth. But this figure of 1 million in liquid assets is pulled from a recent Yahoo Finance article from May of 2024. I also did find another article from Yahoo Finance, which also looked at the asset classes of the ultra high net worth. But this group was actually more like 30 million or more. And here the percentage allocation to real estate was actually the same as the base high net worth segment, or those with 1 million or more in assets. According to this research, when it comes to investing, high net worth individuals spread their investments across various asset classes. But the biggest concentration is in real estate. They allocate approximately 32% of their wealth to residential properties and 21% to commercial properties. This shows a clear preference for real estate investments over stocks, where stocks make up 26% of their portfolio on average. High net worth individuals are big on diversification across asset classes. They prioritize low volatility investments to ensure stability during economic downturns. Real estate, which is recognized for benefiting from consistent long-term growth and depreciation over time, tremendous tax savings, amortization through paying down loans, and cash flow from rental income clearly forms a significant portion, or, as you can see, approximately 53%. High net worth individuals embody a distinct set of financial characteristics that set them apart. High net worth individuals understand the importance of portfolio management and often collaborate with financial advisors to optimize their holdings to align with their continually evolving risk tolerance and present and future goals. High net worth individuals are extremely aware that managing their wealth isn't just about amassing more wealth, it's about holding onto their assets and wealth and sustaining it through calculated decisions and continual evaluation. They are extremely aware of one of Warren Buffett's famous quotes. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Consider their strategies and you too can develop their mindset. When you consider a focus of 53%, it's obvious that real estate as an asset class stands as their major focus and the highest concentration in the portfolios of high net worth individuals. They clearly prioritize this asset class. The real estate investing strategy ensures wealth preservation more than any other asset class and provides steady growth during stock market volatility. Real estate investments act as a hedge against inflation, providing long-term stability and cash flow from rental income. Unlike stocks, they offer less volatility and a solid foundation for financial security. As the global economy evolves, high net worth individuals increasingly find real estate attractive because they can safeguard their wealth and secure their financial future. Embrace their approach, and you'll align with the successful investment strategies of the ultra wealthy, ensuring your portfolio's resilience and prosperity. I like to call the real estate investing the wealth building strategy quinfecta. I don't even know if that's a real word, but I like to use the word because you basically, with one investment, you get 5 benefits. And, I said it a few times in this video already, but the 5 benefits are, actually it's more than 5 benefits, but the 5 main benefits are rental income and cash flow, long-term appreciation, tax savings through depreciation and active income offset, also known as material participation, amortization through mortgage paydown, and then also the ability to borrow against the property to acquire more investment property. Okay, if you all like that, if you like videos, about real estate and investing, what you can do is you can consider subscribing to the channel. You can also give the video a like. If you are also somebody that's interested in real estate investing, possibly, I actually talk a lot about how to generate consistent and frequent 4- and 5-figure deposits through short and medium-term furnished rentals. You can take a look in the description area, and I've got a couple links in there, and then you can go there. I've got something called the SMTR, stands for short and medium term rental launch kit. Very, very inexpensive, just a basic launch kit there, and you'll also see my email address. I do some very basic email coaching. Also, if you know somebody that might be interested in getting into real estate investing, and you or this individual that you might be interested in kind of taking in some content and learning from someone that's a little bit further ahead of you or an expert, you can go ahead and forward them this video. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching, and have a great one.